Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the market. It's currently 4:05 p.m., September 24th, 2021, Friday, end of the week. Getting close to the end of September already. We are making moves in the market. We started down and then we came back up. So we ended up finishing green on the SPX. But let's get into that in a minute. Make sure you subscribe for new, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Just hit the like button just below. I really appreciate that. Most people say that in their videos because it does help. It does help with the algorithms of not the markets, but algorithms of Google, which I've been dealing with for about 20 years in my position of work. And I know how they function. So a like button like this and a press of it would really help. Anyway, today was a decent day. You know, it's much easier to get going on a green note and then kind of sitting back waiting for the markets to set up for what you were looking for. I definitely missed a bunch of good trades. I was feeling pretty confident with options a little bit with Tesla. I think Amazon's just too much of a beast for me. That's why I veered away from options back in, I forgot when it was, June maybe. And I started trading options in Amazon. It's just too high priced of a stock. But Tesla's really cool because you don't need a point with 50 shares, is nice. But when I'm getting like 20 cents and I'm making just as much, it's kind of nice as well. So I did trade a little bit of options today. So let's get into it. Not much. Okay, so here CRM was the trade of the day. I only traded 200 shares on this one. It's been one of the hottest stocks in the market over the last couple days. Obviously, the gap up. Remember, at the end of the day, or back in, I think it was the end of the year last year, they got downgraded hard. They dropped below. I don't remember when it was. Let me get a monthly here. I want to go to monthly. They were doing well, then they pulled back hard here. This is 2020 here. Okay, here they had a nice grind up this month and pulled back hard here, got down below just at 201, and then has been going straight up since then. Sorry about that. That was a little confusing for me too. But this is a nice monthly chart if you ask me, and it's completely breaking out to all-time highs right now. And I liked it. And I liked it early. I liked it at 281. Got in at 281. Had some sales at 285. But I didn't have enough shares. It was this 5-point move, 5-point move. I made $200 on it. I only had 200 shares, so I wasn't able to really capitalize on that. This MDP, I think I traded this before. I traded CRM. It was like a break here, an inside breakout at 58. Took it on this candle here. Got in, got out. Got in before the 58, and it took it up to the high. And then on FCUV, it just didn't work out the way I wanted it to. But back to CRM, it's gonna be a short video. Obviously, it was 185 here. You can see it did get up to 185 or 285.73. I was looking for a 285 break on this candle. Did not go through, but I was looking on this candle, and I just didn't take it. Eventually went up to around 286.36. So that would have been a nice little trade on CRM end of the day. Let me change this back to daily so I'm not confused on Monday. Going to Tesla. So Tesla's, when Tesla's moving like this, it's such a clean trader. Very clean. I'm not just looking for whole number or inflection points or anything like that. I'm actually looking for pullbacks and breakouts because a lot of these pullbacks and break up, continue up. Yeah, this is a little choppy. That's midday. I don't like to trade midday, so I just avoid that altogether. But look at this one. Boom, back up, boom, back up, boom. And this is the one I love the most. End of the day, pull back on 2 5-minute candles, consolidated for a candle, and then broke that candle and went up. And I just trading single options, one option, 2 different trades. I had 32 on one and 35 on the other. Just a single option contract, no big deal. And ended the day with 309 to close out the week. I kind of needed today. I really need another 0 on here, but I'll take it. Just feeling good going in the weekend. I got a lot going on. I won't be able to do any videos or anything like that. So that's really it. I hope you guys are doing well managing your risk. I think that's been the toughest part of this market is that we're, if we don't, in the past, when I don't get a winning trade to start my day, I'm like fighting around, trading some crap. Now, like Tesla today, if I was trading Tesla and feeling confident with it all day, I would have done pretty well. Here's a nice one on this 5-minute. Look at this. Boom, boom, boom. Break of this 5-minute it went up 20 points from there. So when Tesla's hot and back in the action, we like to trade Tesla. And I plan to trade it next week if it continues to trade like this for sure. Maybe I'll press with 2 contracts, then increase from there. And I'll go, we'll see what happens. I'm not going to really worry about it. Today was the first day of UPST was down a long time. This thing's just been climbing up. And that's pretty much it. So let me know. Subscribe if you're new. Like the video. Share the video. Comment on the video. And I'll be back on Monday. Have a good night.